Try the black one. Look, I see another black one here. Look at me, Ally. Oh, there's a black one, yeah. Pull it. Let's see your face. Laura Daisy, you've been picking blackberries. Alright. We are on a Sunday mission, me and the Ally. Eating blackberries, riding scooters. You're not scooting anymore? Are you done with your scooter? Should Daddy carry it? Here you go, Laura. Here you go, Laura. Thank you, Laura. There you go, Laura. Thank you. Thank you, Laura. There you go, Laura. Thank you, Laura. There you go, Laura. Lots of monsters. Excuse me?
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you. There you go, Laura.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Laura. There you go, Laura.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Ally. There you go, Ally. Should we leave it there for someone else to play with? Or should we go on?
Okay.
Oh, bump. You alright? Lots and lots of monsters on the wall. They're not plants, they're monsters. An apple juice, that's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
The usual. As you're used to. Dogs and baby asleep. What you're not used to. Beanie's Ratchet bike shop. So we were fixing the bike that I bought for nothing. Bean has cleaned up the rear gear wonderfully. That was absolutely smothered in rust.
I think my hands can't approve it.
Yeah. But it's coming up really nice. Yeah, it'll be quite a cool bike when it's done. It needs a bit of a wipe. And then we might, if we're feeling brave, strip it and paint it.
Oh no, we are stripping it and painting it.
Okay. That might be a second project part of it. We're going to take it, get it running properly first and then take it apart maybe.
I've already picked the paint.
No. No beanie. That's a bad beanie. No. Ooh. Didn't see very many of these around, do you? It was a flathound. Adam. You're supposed to be inside. Come on. Your mum will shout at you. Get. Oh, really? Ally. Laura. It's time to wake up, Bobby. Come to Dad. Here we go. Come on, 1, 2, 3. And come for cuddle. Oh, hi. Oh. Hey, baby girl. Do you want a drinky? Do you want a drinky, baby?
Yeah.
There we go. It's about time for a snack, baby. Yeah. Some snack time.
Ally, look what Mummy got you.
Spider-Man suit.
Do you want to put it on?
Wow. Should we turn you into Spider-Man?
This is a
Shall we put it on?
Put it on.
Put it on.
Mommy.
Yeah, shall we put it on? Yeah.
Spider-Man sweatsuit.
Look at Spider-Man wetsuit. Yeah.
I actually found a Spider-Man wetsuit, but it's not small enough, Princess.
Oh, Mommy.
Oh, do you like it?
Are you Spider-Man now?
Spider-Man
Oh,
sweatsuit.
Spider-Man wetsuit.
Yes, a Spider-Man sweatsuit. Thank you, Mommy.
No problem, Ally.
Look, a Spider-Man sweatsuit. Look, a Spider-Man.
You're Spider-Man's.
Oh, do you like it?
A Spider-Man sweatsuit. Look, Nanny.
Yeah, you got your Spider-Man suit.
A
Wow.
Spider-Man sweatsuit, Nanny.
You got a Spider-Man sweatsuit? Yes, you have. Wetsuit. It's not a wetsuit though, but it's a suit.
Pete.
See you later, Spider-Man. Will she fit that white dress soon?
If it's an now. Yeah. I did a little date night for Pete and I made the pomegranate and kiwi water with some mint in it, and we sat out at the table out there and Ally had a nice and I was like, we're going to sit down and have a nice meal. And she had that dress on then, and it, but I did spag bowl, so she
Good afternoon, everybody. I've had a couple of miserable days being grumpy and miserable for no apparent reason. But that feeling's kind of gone now. Or it's ebbing anyway. So I'm sitting on a rainy beach eating a reduced price pasty. How much of it I got on my moustache? Who knows? Well, you guys will know, because you can see me. The mount is looking mysterious. You can even see it. That's a big blurry lump there.